Hi guys, thanks for joining us. Today we are going to be making a hot air balloon. So all you need is a craft kit from the library, a glue stick, some scissors, and you're ready to go. After you finish folding all of your balloon shapes in half, you're going to do the same thing with your hearts. Now it's time to glue. You're just going to glue one edge of your balloon piece and put another on top and keep going until you've gotten all the way around. Add a string in the middle and then glue them together. We're going to follow the exact same procedure now with our hearts. So glue them together, glue the string in the middle, and cut your tail at the bottom when you're done gluing.